Most people can't explain how a law is actually made in the UK, but you're about to understand it in under 4 minutes. A law is a rule that everyone in the country must follow. In the UK, new laws usually start as bills, proposals for laws, and they go through Parliament before becoming official. Here are the 3 things you need to know. A bill is introduced. It can come from the government, an MP, a lord, or even from public pressure. Then it's debated and voted on. The bill goes through several stages in the House of Commons and the House of Lords, including debates, detailed examination, and votes. And then finally, it only becomes law when the King signs it. This final step is called royal assent. Once that happens, the bill becomes an Act of Parliament. For example, the plastic bag charge started as a simple bill. It was debated in both houses, voted on, and after royal assent it became law. The result? Plastic bag use dropped massively across the UK. Why does this matter for your GCSE? Because exam questions often ask you to explain law-making process, or to give an example of how a bill becomes an act. If you can describe the 3 stages, introduction, debates and votes, royal assent, you'll score easy marks. Quick recap. A bill is introduced, Parliament debates and votes on it, the King gives royal assent and it becomes law. That's how laws are made in the UK, in under 4 minutes. Don't forget to like and subscribe.